Okay, here we are, pulling out of Christa McAuliffe Middle School in Bangor, Michigan, a township surrounding in the surrounds of Bay City on the west side. I told you about the west side and the east side. This is on the west side, northwest. Pretty decent commute. Oh, I have not figured out yet what this car is doing up here. There's Christa McAuliffe Middle School, named after the famous deceased astronaut, and then over here we've got the famous John Glenn High School of Bangor. Look at that pile of snow from the RUDOLPH-THE-REDNOSED-REINDEER snowstorm of yesterday. A lot of snow, or not yesterday, of last entry into work commute. I did not work yesterday. There was school Monday. This area there was not. There was just the school up where I was. Okay, we're on the part now on the road called North Union, which is heading west. We will head on it to Mackinac Road, which we've gotten off of US 10 on before. We will take that road to our old buddy US 10 and drive straight into Midland. I don't know that I'm going to film all that for you. That entry on Monday was way longer than I had planned. Or than I planned for these. I never want these videos to go much longer than 4 minutes. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's, I guess this qualifies Monday for sure, but today, maybe even in some places too, is white knuckle driving. And your hands are tense, and you're gripped on that wheel. Well, I only have one